Is the show content in the chosen location feature not working on the X app? If posts from your selected location aren't appearing, location-based content isn't updating, or your chosen location isn't being saved, it can affect your browsing experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix show content in the chosen location on X app. The first thing you have to do is to go to X app. In this page, you have to click on this window of profile on above. Then we click on settings and privacy. We move to privacy and safety, and you will click on content you see, then explore settings, and after that we click here on show content in this location, or you can go to explore locations to choose which location you want. So please don't forget